If someone don't have a leadership quality, क्या वो क्वालिटी को डेवलप किया जा सकता है या इट इज जस्ट ए नेचुरल इंस्टिंक्ट और नेचुरल होता है सब इसी के अंदर?
See, what are leadership qualities? Of who are leaders? Leaders are human beings.
Yeah.
What kind of person who can think clearly, who has a common sense, approach commonsensical होनी चाहिए, who can work with others, who is curious, he wants to investigate. That kind of person can be a leader. हर एक में ये चीजें होती हैं, but they are stunted. They are not evolved. Perhaps they are not nurtured enough, or they don't have the conditioning of. So aim is to identify those things and help them, give them a direction कि बेटा अभी देखो ये अभी और करना है. That's it.
So there is hardly any born leaders, but the situations, circumstances, the conditioning happening to the child, and the formative years that makes a boy a leader.
Personality is different.
Till some extent, I agree with this point.
अब Prime Minister Modi साहब है. He was from a very very humble family. We all in the whole world say ये तो चाय वाला था, वो तो Prime Minister बन गया. Look at the leadership quality he developed. From work, from the environment, fighting with the odds in life, taking challenges in life, and improving himself.
So can I say that, sir, कि if someone is not able to clear the SSB, NDA, CDS exams वगैरह नहीं हो पाते हैं, लेकिन still after hard work of 2-3 years, practice, training, सब कुछ, that person is going to be a good human being and have a good leadership quality.
Definitely.
That can be used in some other places.
You won't believe it that there are so many OGNs, we call them, olive greens के जो students हैं, so many of them who haven't qualified, who not joined the defense forces for some reason or the others. किसी का clear नहीं हुआ, किसी का medical में कोई issue हो गया and couldn't qualify and go there. A lot of them are doing exceptionally well and they keep writing to us. In fact, there are two of them who joined the British Army. There's one joined the Air Force, one joined the Australian Army. And they
Canada में
and they got back to us and they told us कि भाई how this training benefited them and in day-to-day life.
यहाँ पे नहीं हुआ, वहाँ जाके हो गई.
My daughter was in Melbourne. I mean, I just want to tell you the kind of affinity that we have amongst our students. I was there and I put a picture of mine वहाँ पे. There were 3 OGNs who were in Melbourne who got in Facebook पे देख के who got in touch with me. They were doing different कोई कहीं engineering करके गया था, कोई कुछ करके गया था, and they all wanted to spend a day with me. Just look at the kind of affiliation we have. 2 हफ्ते सिर्फ रह के गए थे हमारे पास.
It's like an extended family we are.
So I spent time with them.
All these youngsters, when they come to Chandigarh, they meet us, they talk to us, they connect with us, they discuss their issues with us. I remember one boy. Yes, personal issues भी.
Yeah.
So there was a boy who used to
I was
stammer.
in Spain, where my daughter is. तो वहाँ पे me and my wife were taking a walk in a garden. तुरिया garden बोलते हैं वहाँ पे. तो वहाँ पे सर, good evening sir. मैम, मैं क्या है यार? कहता है olive greens.
अरे कितना अच्छा लगता है.
That is amazing.